Hello everybody and welcome back to the chateau. What can I say apart from the weather is not really playing ball at the moment, so we're going between bright sunshine and pelting down rain, which is slightly worrying with how close to the party we are. However, what will be will be. So it's another day of getting this place ready for a big party, so it's a big push. Another coat has been done on the outdoor sofas, so hopefully they will be near enough ready to put back in place. Sofa cushion covers are washing. Bars had another coat, still need to do with a few other bits and pieces. While that's drying, I need to get on with the dining room. So this is the dining room, and because it's the closest to the back garden, this I need for painting things on. This stuff has got to go outside into the marquee. That's various bits and pieces we've dug out for in the marquees outside, cushions we dealt with, and now, there used to be a big unit here, it's now there, so this stuff is all sort of event stuff I need to quickly just go through to know what I've got and put that away and make this a dining room again in case the weather turns on Saturday. I do like this cabinet, but never used it. Oh, that is significantly better. I do appreciate there are some things which need to go outside to the party. However, it is a room again, which is massively, massively important. Now, to outside. Right, garden. It has been a bit of a push. We've been jet washing all sorts of bits and pieces over there today. One last trailer load of brush to go. And all of the log piles and trailers full of logs have gone. We've just got a couple of bits and pieces, a bit of raking, and that's something like it. And of course, been down in the workshop starting to weld together the frame for the stage. But obviously I've had a lot of help today, and I couldn't have asked for better help from better people. Let's take a walk up my nice widened and cleared driveway. That was the other day. We have got somewhere, and I really was so happy with the help. Obviously I did help as well. But all of those logs, that's 2 of those trailer loads, is now stacked. Some does need splitting, of course, the bigger rounds, but we'll worry about those when it's seasoned. And we started with the next lot. So we have, once it's dried a bit, I'll put the covers over. But look, that's neat. This is my little forest at the side of the house where wood comes to get stacked, and it's always ended up being a little bit of a mess, but not this year. We are getting somewhere. A nice wood pile. So, you know, as much as a pain in the backside that tree has been for getting ready for the party, it really has hampered everything. It will be of use in the end, in another season or two, when that has dried out. And I can sort of get through here and get a mower into it, we'll clear it, we'll get rid of this sort of stuff for this winter and fallen branches. But that doesn't need to be done for the party. There is a question that has come up in the comments on a regular basis, which is valid if you haven't been watching all of the videos, and that is, of course, why is this tree and clearing being left so late, given the fact the ground can't recover before the big day, which is sad, obviously. And that is simply, for those that don't know, that massive stump there that we had to get pulled back over by a digger, it all came over. It was meters off the ground, so you had to stand on the stump, and it was 2 different trunks. And of course, the weather has been so bad, it's never been dry enough or safe enough to be able to stand on those without slipping. It's just too dangerous to use a chainsaw and get up there because of the wetness. Because this year has been terrible. It's been a terrible, terrible year, weather-wise, compared to what we used to. So everything got started hugely late. And honestly, I don't think I'd even have the slightest hesitation about this big party if it wasn't for the fact of that tree was in the way, because everything else could have happily been done bit by bit, and I probably only been setting up a week before. So, thanks Mother Nature for delaying my prep, but also thank you for the wood. So that answers the question. Really does come up a lot. So for those that think that I'm leaving something really late, yeah, you're right, but for safety reasons. So hope that explains. Just like that, the rain has come again. Although I am showered, I no longer look like Wurzel Gummidge. If I'm not sure anyone of you get that reference. Okay, I don't look like I belong in living in the back garden, because I am going to go out tonight and celebrate the last day of being 40. And then I've got a massive day tomorrow with my friends having a barbecue that I'm not ready for because nothing is ready. But that's the usual way. What people have asked me on a regular basis about this big party, and also in the comments of, oh, it's your friends, they don't mind. It's more than that. So this isn't a public event. I used to do public events here a long time ago. Things changed because my life changed, as we all know. And then last year we kept that alive by having a big birthday bash, my 40th. And this year we're doing a similar, but it is in memory of somebody that used to do exactly the same thing. So a long time ago, and for years, a lovely guy called Neil did a little thing called Francenberry out here. It was a little music event, and it was all the local musicians, all the people that always supported them, and it was just a get together of everyone that was in the music scene out here. A private little mini festival, but just for friends and family. Unfortunately, Neil is no longer with us, and Francenberry went with him. So what we are doing this year is we are doing Francenberry again, and we are splitting any of the money that we raise. That's the other thing, we're raising money for charity. We're going to split it 2 ways. One towards motor neuron disease, MND, which is what Neil sadly succumbed to, and the other one is, last year we raised about €1,100 for an animal shelter which is up the road. This year we're going to split between MND and another animal shelter which is local, and one that looks after my dog all the time. They're really good. They're a rescue centre, kennels, agility training, and they're lovely people. So I thought we'd split the money that way. So that is why we're doing the party. There are reasons behind it. It's not just a frivolous thing to do because it's the summer and why not. There are bigger reasons behind it, and that's why we are putting so much effort into it. So I hope that has cleared that bit up, because it does come up in the comments quite a lot of, oh, it'll be fine, it's just your friends and family. It's a bit more than that, and there are more importance to it. So I hope you understand why I'm putting in the sort of effort that I am. Now, as I said, it's the last day of me being 40. And I've got a big amount of work to do tomorrow before I actually celebrate my birthday. So I'm going to go and get drunk. Have a lovely evening, everybody. Thanks for watching. See you next time.